Hey everybody, Ron Bruder with the Bruder Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to give you a tour of our newest listing at 1018 La Plata Drive. Amazing property, sits on a great corner lot. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath garage, 1886 square feet. The mechanicals, the water heater and furnace and refrigerated air have been replaced in the past. Amazing backyard, tons of space. There's 2 sheds back there. Come on in, let's take a look around. All right, guys, I want to thank you for taking this tour of 1018 La Plata Drive. Again, great property, sits on this great corner lot. You have this amazing spacious backyard. The home's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1886 square feet, refrigerated air. Give me a call, Ron Bruder, 575-312-7330, or visit our website at www.homesforsaleinlascruces.com. Thanks, have a great day.